If you want to cancel your Payoneer free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure that your account is closed without any charges. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Visit the Payoneer website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Account Settings option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your account preferences and subscription details. Step 3. Locate subscription information. In the Account Settings, find the section dedicated to subscriptions or billing. Here, you should see details about your current plan and the free trial status. Step 4. Select Cancel Trial option. Look for an option that allows you to cancel your free trial. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or End Free Trial. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may need to provide a reason for cancellation or confirm your decision through a verification step. Make sure to complete this process to ensure your trial is successfully cancelled. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation email regarding the cancellation of your free trial. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Payoneer customer support for assistance.